Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back. This is Daily Trading Analysis with a quick market update for today, Tuesday, January 23rd. Well, today, another day without big important economic data. Remember that on Thursday and Friday, we have GDP and PCE, so the market is waiting for that. And part of that waiting process is reflected on yesterday's range and today's range. So basically, this one. So basically, we are respecting both bearish fair value gaps and also bullish inefficiencies. So what do we have to do? We have to wait and be patient to really see the extremes, to really see direction, to really see the price action that everyone is waiting, either the downside or to the upside. We need this market to move. And if you are one of those traders that it has a hard time waiting, be careful. If not, try to learn some patience, some discipline. Because for me, this market is just super clear. It's just waiting for data, waiting for something to trigger. We don't know when or what trigger might happen. But what we are able to see is just wait for a reaction. React, don't predict, and manage all with your risk. So as you can see, we have this 15-minute bearish fair value gap, and we have also a convergence of 30-minute, the 1 hour, and also the 50% 50 retracement. So we are in the middle, but I got one opportunity and I took it for 50 points. So let me just show you what kind of opportunity did I take and why I stopped trading after the open. So this was a pre-market action. We got, after this consolidation, we got at London Open, key open for me, from the Europeans, and also for the pre-market action. We got this move to the downside. And look at this liquidity. We got that liquidity on the 15-minute chart, this one and this one. So we took liquidity. We bounced off this blue dot line that is last week high. Sorry about that. It's this liquidity. So this liquidity got taken. We never went lower into the fair value gap. That was what I was waiting for into the open, try to take that bounce. But either way, I took this trade. So let me show you. It's always the same kind of trade. Always. And all starts with the 5-minute. The 5-minute took liquidity, and look at this beautiful bullish candle and this order block on the 5-minute that I got here. So I saw the retracement, and there's basically one 5-minute fair value gap, and also on the 1-minute we got the fair value gap. So look at this one. I didn't take this trade that I usually take because I wanted this inefficiency here, the 50-minute retracement, to be tested. And why we tested that and we dumped again, that's where and when I took it. I took it here with this bullish candle into the order block, into the fair value gap. So big confluence here, and just for 7 points of risk. My stop was down here. And my target, I can either target this internal liquidity or look at this beautiful zone of relative equal highs with yesterday's pivot up here. So that was my target. And basically, you know that something, you are in a potentially good trade when you see this 5-minute being respected, also the 1-minute. So let me change to the 5-minute. Look at this move, and then another consolidation and another move with another inefficiency being respected. So pretty bullish, right? So when I was here, I just adjusted my stop here 1-to-1, and I saw it hit my target. And that's all. 50 points, 1,000 bucks And market took also this liquidity. That was not my initial target. Being conservative sometimes it's really good, and in this market, as you can see, it's a bless. So don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. And then once we took that liquidity, look at what happened. Inefficiency here being respected, another one being respected. This was a nice short setup, and into the open, big dump into pre-market lows. And after that, and as of right now, we are just shopping. We are flat on equities. We are barely moving on individual tech stocks. Dollar is just pushing higher. That's a no for me. And small caps are dumping. So we had an opportunity in pre-market. I took it, and after that, there is nothing. This is why it's super hard to really be patient and be disciplined. But if you master those abilities, it will be your success forever. And apart from that, the technical part is really is just easier to illustrate and to understand this kind of move that I was really sure it was going to. Look at these two topping tails. People were shorting this. They got squeezed. So the technical side is the easier part, but the mentality, the mastermind that you have to have, and also the patience, the discipline, the risk management, all in conjunction to really be successful in this market. This price action is not easy. We are pretty damn near at all-time highs, consolidating. To be patient. If you have experience and you see something that you like, as I did here, you can just take it with risk. Managing your risk, everything is possible. And I think for now, this market is not tradable. This price action is just, I don't know, it's not worth it for me. But look at this. All these liquidities being generated. Let me tell you, if I was to continue trading after noon into the close or things like that, watch these highs. Watch the manipulation move to the downside into a push into high of day. Yes, the setup, I think it could happen. If not, well, you can just take some snacks, take some time, play the guitar, play video games while the market is setting up. Use alerts, but if you really want to trade, that would be my setup, to really look for stop hands at these levels. If not, do like me, wait for tomorrow, wait for after tomorrow, wait for data. And I think once data comes out, it will be way, way easier to really read price action and to take better opportunities. Until then, sit tight, at least from my side. And that's all. Thank you for your time. If you think this video is useful for you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel because I upload videos like this one every single day for market forecasts, market updates, and market recaps. I appreciate your time. As always, remember the trading day is not over. Really choppy day. Be patient, be disciplined, manage your risk, and as always, stay safe everyone, and see you tomorrow.